Here in this question, we need to find the value of 255 square minus 245 square. So, to find this value, we can use one formula, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. By using this formula, we can find the value of the given question. So, in the place of a, here we have 255, and in the place of b, we have 245. So, this can be written as 255 bracket, so plus 245. In the same way with the minus, so 255 minus 245. Now 255 plus 245, we get 500. Next, 255 minus 245 is 10. Now 500 bracket is nothing but into. So into 10. 500 into 10 equals 5,000. So 5,000 is the value for the given question.